In our previous video, we made cabbage light soup, super delicious. And today, join me as I elevate your dining table with a tasty assorted jollof rice. This jollof rice is packed with an infusion of flavors. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Kesh. So in this recipe, I'm using goat's meat, but feel free to use any protein of your choice. I've washed and cut them beautifully. I add in some chopped onions, and now I'm adding in the blended ingredients. I will come in with some water to help it cook very well. Adding some spice mix I made, followed by some thyme, oregano, and then adding some star anise. I will now add in some salt to taste and give it a good stir. Once I'm done with the stirring, I cover the pot, leave it on fire to cook till it is well cooked. In another pot, I pour in blended tomato mixture and cook it over medium heat for 10 minutes. Alright, in this pot, I pour in my vegetable oil. I heat it over a medium heat and then start frying the goat's meat. So after 15 minutes of frying the goat's meat, I will take everything else from the pot and set it aside to be used later. The oil I used in frying the goat meat is too much. I take some and set it aside. So I start frying my minced onions. You can cut the onions into any sizes and any shapes of your choice. I then add in some minced garlic and fry these for about 5 minutes on a low heat. Now I will add in the cooked tomato mixture. Note that I already added tomato paste to the tomato mixture, so I don't need to fry any tomato paste. I will give it a very good stir and leave it on fire to fry for about 10 minutes. Alright, yummies. After 10 minutes, I give this a quick stir and now I will add in the goat's meat stock. Once again, I give it a quick stir and cover it to start simmering on a medium heat for just 5 minutes. So this is actually 4 minutes 50 seconds now. I will give this a very quick stir. So now let's build in some flavors. First goes in the spice mix, followed by some garlic powder, curry powder, nutmeg, and now I will give this a very good mix. In case you do not like any of the spices I add, feel free to customize it to your preference. I cover it for just 2 minutes and now I will add in my washed rice. Today I washed my rice. I will give this a very good stir, making sure that every grain is well coated with the stew. Cover it for just 2 minutes and this is after 2 minutes. Now add in some water and then give it a very good stir once again. When it comes to jollof rice, you have to know the type of rice you are using. This will help you determine the quantity of water you add to the jollof when cooking. I add in some salt, give it a stir and cover it for about 10 minutes on a low heat. So it's been 11 minutes of cooking the jollof rice and I nearly got it burnt. And that is exactly not what I want. So I scrape the bottom of the pan and make sure that, it is not coated or I'm not getting a burnt jollof rice. Now I'll cover it with an aluminium foil and leave it on a very low heat till the rice is well cooked. Alright, yummies, at this point the jollof rice is done now It is soft, it tastes super good. So tasting officer, I gotta taste the damn this jollof rice tastes good. Now let's start with the salted fried jollof rice. In this wok, I'll add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the oil we set aside. Once the oil is heated, I start to fry my sausages. So I'll fry the sausages over medium heat for about 5 minutes or till they start browning, and then start adding in the other vegetables. But the first thing that comes in is some onions. So I fry it for about 2 minutes because I do not want the onions to be, very soft. Now I come in with my vegetables. That is mixed vegetables that I bought from the shop. You can actually use fresh vegetables and use any type of vegetables. After some time of sauteing the vegetables and the sausages, I add in the fried goat meat and some cooked shrimp. So I'll be sauteing this for just 2 minutes, and whilst we are sauteing it, kindly take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel if you have not, like this video if you enjoy it, and kindly share it out there. Thank you. Now at this point, I'll start adding in the jollof rice. So when you're making this on a large quantity, I would advise that after you are done with sauteing the vegetables together with the meat and other things, you just pour it into the jollof rice, give it a very good mix, allow it to be on fire over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then your salted jollof rice is done. But in my case, I fried it for a little while because I'm the only one going to enjoy this. Oh yes, the rest had its, ropopo. So thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope you do enjoy this video and try your hands on. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, do not forget to think yummy cash. Choose